Welcome to AllPro Trainings. Today, let's explore PA monitoring and operations in SAP PA. Whether you are a SAP admin or a developer, understanding PA monitoring is crucial for seamless communication between systems. Introduction to SAP PA. SAP Process Integration PI and SAP Process Orchestration PO are middleware solutions that allow different systems to communicate and exchange information. By using PAPO, businesses can streamline processes, improve efficiency, and ensure data consistency across platforms. Importance of PA monitoring. Effective PA monitoring is vital for identifying issues early and maintaining system health. Through monitoring, you can track data flows, detect errors, and measure system performance. This minimizes downtime and keeps your integration running smoothly. Key aspects of PA monitoring. In PA monitoring, there are several areas to focus on. Message monitoring. Track individual messages and check for errors. Component monitoring. Monitor the health of integration components like adapters, channels, and interfaces. End-to-end monitoring. A comprehensive view of message flow to detect bottlenecks and improve performance. Benefits of effective PA operations. Effective PA operations reduce system disruptions, prevent data inconsistencies, and ensure timely processing. This leads to enhanced data reliability and helps your organization meet its integration goals seamlessly. So, are you ready to master PA monitoring and operations in SAP PAPO? Join our training at AllPro Trainings to learn from the industry experts and advance your SAP skills. Thank you.